Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering building effective networking skills, how to expand your professional circle. So let's dive in. In this fast paced digital age, it's crucial to connect with the right people, whether it's for work or life in general. Now, before you groan and think, oh, networking sounds so stuffy and boring, trust me, it doesn't have to be. It's all about leaning on your traits and personality to find a network that fits and supports your needs. Let's see how we can spice things up with some fun, casual tips on building effective networking skills. Let's summarize. We are trying, applying, and building effective networking skills to expand our professional circle. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Be genuine and proactive. Be you and find common ground to build real connections. Seek out networking opportunities, join events, and engage with your community. 2. Give before you get and leverage social media. Offer help and support without expecting anything in return to create a positive networking environment. Share valuable content and engage with people on social media and professional platforms. And 3, nurture your network. Stay in touch with your contacts regularly, reach out, and keep those connections warm. These were some steps and tips on building effective networking skills, expanding your professional circle. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering overcoming procrastination, strategies for increased productivity. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.